Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are going over the very best Clash Royale decks here in September of 2025. And honestly, these decks are so good, they're probably going to be strong for a while. Before we do dive into this video, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But starting off with our first deck, this is going to be the Vines Evo Goblin Giant Furnace Prince First. I know it's a whole mouthful. But essentially, this is a Goblin Giant Vines deck. It runs Furnace, Prince, Minions, Rage, Goblin Machine, and Goblin Curse. And honestly, it's a pretty toxic deck overall. The defense is insane. Offense is surprisingly good. But the synergy, it's messy. In a good way, of course. At 3.8 Elixir, you're not cycling too fast, but once you do stack, it's over. Free-to-play players, though, it's not looking great for you. This one is going to be a little bit pricey, but pricey in a good way because this deck is insane. Moving on, though, we do have Royal Hogs plus Recruits. This is obviously going to be that classic split lane pressure, zappies and flying machines behind, and then you just overwhelm. Average cost is pretty high, but the defense is absolutely godly. This is perfect for grand challenges and overall just grinding the game in general. Moving on to deck number 3, though, we have Evo Valk Logbait with Wall Breakers. This is by far the most annoying deck in the game. Not only do you have Goblin Barrel, Princess, Dark Goblin, and Goblin Gang, which is going to be forcing logs nonstop. Meanwhile, the Valk is going to tank and Wall Breakers are going to chip away. It's a 2.8 average deck, meaning it's fast, cheap, and it's super skill based. It is kind of hard to get used to at first, but once you do get used to it, you're going to be winning every single game. And speaking of winning every single game, number 4 is going to be the classic Balloon Freeze Beatdown. Lumberjack Rage pushes, freeze on defense or offense, and you can pretty much steal wins out of nowhere. It is kind of heavy at 4.0 Elixir, but during double Elixir, this is going to absolutely shine. Once again, if you are a free-to-play player, this one is a little tough, but man, this deck is insane. Finally, though, we do have Royal Giant Wizard Monk, and this one's super annoying for me because I actually don't have Monk, but this is by far one of the best decks in the game, so I had to put it in here. You essentially have Monk as a tank, as well as Fisherman to pull, Wizard for splash, and of course you have Royal Giant and the rest of the cycle cards. It's simple, it works, it's definitely not the flashiest synergy, but once Royal Giant does lock onto tower, you know it's game over. But yeah, overall, those are the very best decks in the game right now here in Clash Royale. Let me know which ones you guys are going to be running this season in the comments below. If you do have any questions, ask us down there as well. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.